أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلوات الله تعالى عليه وسلم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Juma Mubarak to all of you. Those of you that are watching, we send our special greetings to all of you. And just to give you an update, politics atemu kachalti, continuous discussion, development of ana banko kadoku, it's also a continuous process. Governance is the same. In political science, they will tell you that these are progressive matters. They are things that are continuous. They keep going from one generation to another. That is what politics is about. That is what human life is all about. So, we had our political leaders, various political party leaders or various political party representatives flown to Nigeria on the invitation of Goodluck Jonathan, former president of Nigeria, to have a discussion on what people will call to try and resurrect or bring back to life our 2020 draft constitution, which was, of course, one of the most important documents, one of the most important objectives of the coalition government when they went to meet Gambians in 2016 and saw for their endorsements and validations to get to office. Lafta Mimfola because Kabirin leaders all tada Nigeria Diamu Jamal El Keta Facebook, different social media houses and platforms, different political actors, people loyal to different political parties. Yeah, Diamu Jamal Ke. People were talking, people, express their opinions. And it's always divergent. Gambia is an interesting country, but it's emerging as many other countries did. And I'm sure this is going to be healthy as we move on. One thing or few things catch my mind during India Molkono. Walam Yindiko, ngaje UDP la funding ke odoe tweet ke. There is no constitutional crisis in the Gambia. Akomimbe in Gambia walem, one man, which is President Adama Barrow, messed up the entire process of this important national matter. And that is by throwing or refusing to allow the national draft to referendum. UDP la official of a junior official of UDP. And I've also followed one of the, officials, or should I say former officials of Constitutional Review Committee, CRC, blaming President Barrow for his lack of commitment and calling it mind-blogging that the president made his independence speech and finished without mentioning a document or the state at which an important document like our constitution or the draft constitution in his entire speech. And of course, a lot of you, some of you watching me, we're not happy that Gambians would take flights to go to Nigeria to discuss about matters of our country. And I've seen some insulting political leaders, whether it's UDP leaders, CA, Citizens Alliance, President Barrow, Sidinjai. In fact, a lot of nonsenses were said against him, some very painful against the president, Adam Barrow, by Nyanjai. We'll come to all those. But after me, Falale Olam Yindiko, I told me alonko Alkabaro blame Alkabaro na ala mol toku ya nyinna. Mbedani ro kela nak momoronding ibenna programo jibe kang. You can disagree. I will let you disagree because there are many Gambians watching me and many more will watch me. Watch me. If you disagree with me, state it. But do not insult. If you insult, I will deny you the right. I will deny you the opportunity to ever watch me because I'll block you. Ngamin for ni se disagree, ni bije benji bekang, imang agreeing coming for. Isa safe. Ntete ibatandila ini mol mimba jibe kang nteka diamu mol miye am so ifana betara diamu ka walele isa indicate ko imang agree bar kana nendiroke ni nendiroke drum mbe bondila je because nde sonna nendiro e taraja so ni mi nendiroke rek mbe block la jannin kata ngawo adamaya nga tala ndamaul tema. We can disagree about national matters, but with decorum and civility. That will be very important. So on deko, atol minu ka President Adama Barrow ka neng wala ka President Adama Barrow la associate sol tonye ko nyim constitutional failure itole ake ndeko alal fangol blame alal fangol jalay iblis be min fola mole alkiyama lolungo wala talumuni walumu anfusakum. Alkanante tonye, alkanante jalente iblis. Yalo mansata la alfa ko alkiyama lolu iblis be wala fal. Alkanante jalay nte iblis. Atol miye fulaka fo alama. Alkanante iblis jalay de. Alal fangol jalay. Ndefana mbe min fola bi Qur'ano bada auzu billahi minash shaitani rajim wala nyinde ko wala talumuni walumu anfusakum. Alkana President Adama Barrow nin tolu alkana jalay alal fangol jalay adum be dalilol dila koy konka ke nyamen ibe agree la wala disagree ntol ko yes alkamin for President Adama Barrow la biggest legacy mun constitutional di Adama yo lonne ntol min ka Adama support nga lonne the grade 7 or the grade 8 na National Assembly member solu na boy solu the smart 8 Fatoumata Jawara, Honorable Sekuba, Honorable Umar, Honorable Alaji, Honorable Baba Galle, Honorable Tunkara, honorables, mention them, Ahmad Bala, smart ones. These are not the people you blame. Ntolunga itandi mol bela la quite a fair ko. Atol lelka retroactive ta aliyeo single out, aliyake ko, wala mu fannati mi alonko baroye nyim constitutional faynya mo kono wala. But I give you people mini alonko alkawale for the benefit of the doubt. Mune atina. Why not? Barrow is a Gambian. You see, banko ni ajibe, banko la lua. Minketa ye wala mnyindi ko. Mola interest. Ye wolelta ye lala nyoka common interest ye ke constitutional. Molman agree daming. Disagreements. Two people have interest but in different things. Hakili mali ajibe they get common ground. Itamal la finyina, imal la finyina albebi jam. Ikoy okete katanan domandi, itafana katanan domandi. Ilafta minna ya tala. Nyindo lafta minna tala. Alieben tema. Negotiation o kake wala nyama. Adum banko is a society of people with different interests, different ideologies, different wishes, different everything. They agree no la feo fenga. Fonse dol tuje. But there are fundamental ones mini alonko. Ika wol jibele for everyone. Ntol ko. Kabri yung constitutional nata. First draft kabra nata. President Adama Barrow ndikilateta nu. Because I told be believe to go UDP le moja masoro in parliament. Kabiri first draft sambanang. Constitution on yina first draft. Kabiri apareta CRC ko alafele yina first drafti. Banko mol be ajibe mol yela observational sambanang. Christianol ko there is no secular in it. Doinyol ko citizenship nying is very ugly. You have to look at the citizenship of children men uluta jam. Diaspora onkol ko eko dual citizen olu you cannot participate. Altekarte fayo you cannot run for National Assembly, you cannot run for presidency if you are dual citizen. Walio complain. Barola fanna waliaji be eko retroactive womukuleti alkawlaf. And I'll give you that benefit of the doubt. Retroactivity. Alko, womu feneti mi alonko, barola molko, imalla fala. UDP fana ajibe, the first part, mi alonko molke fangoli itandala. Ko, nyem constitution, the first draft ya min folem nyindi ko. Section obige mi along, it deals with Jumalete Mansayano la Gambia Bankoka, who is disqualified to become a president in that country. Ye list. Wol kono, there is one condition min ko near sorong for a criminal offense. Ite man saya nola. Bari wo criminal offense wo constitutional law butero ko ite man saya nola. Ika se falin nole wo se bay nole on several conditions. Dalilol bije mini alonko wol se wo butero asa falling wo dalilol si adabar kilimbe kono wolom nyinti in the first draft of the 2020 draft constitutional code. That is actually section 92 of the first draft. Nalia jibe alta again kanyin len fo. You know alkadi ambar Gambia no le memory so le ke ikaimira le they remember. But hani ka remember fanang ndolbe continue la kadiamo Gambia no le bayring atol ka mol alkafal be mol mislead lale alkafal be mol nyakula sumna jio lela anin kane jio ndol manke wolti ndol hakilol warta otile Gambia di ngol hakilol warta otile adun karisaba karnani karlul kuo ali amaran tol senyina wala tol tenyina no la wala constitutional la fanna bije mi alon ka ko niye muda criminal act la de nimman sa yam fate womu one conditioned nimman sa e balal mansa ko yam fatele e ko wode se mansa ya nole bari yam fo nak abelala saratol le kami alon ko nyim constitution kuto wala yalan if you are pardoned in accordance with this constitution and this in that line means the new constitution. So if you ever had a criminal, record in 2015, 2014, you were pardoned, but you were not pardoned by this new constitution, then you cannot be president. You are still going to be disqualified to be a president. The new draft will all for section 92. Niye okay. UDP la usenu dawate manse anola. Bayri yate criminal conviction olale. Afinti tanang aya appeal imanson. Aya appeal up to the highest level in the Gambia imanson. Atata ECOWAS, our regional, our international, our multinational ECOWAS court, human rights court, atata je in Ghana. Aya mama nije fanang imanson ibeya jeko usenu dabo ye sorom minna. It's right, you are convicted on a criminal charges. Aliya faham So Ousainou Darboe ning constitution on that section 92 of the first draft near today Darboe te mansayala no banko kan mbenga o jele Malik Jones e Ousainou Darboe interview Darboe ko UDP te ning constitution o ita support la because mimu yate convict le because ate kelole ke Gambia banko e yate convict wola mansa nyin constitutional after kate bali ate mansa ya nyini yalo mu UDP la interest ledi wo mu Darboe la interest ledi Darboe balanta again the records are there Darboe balanta wala UDP nkol be ya support iko their National Assembly members will not vote for the draft constitution if they do not change that part affected Ousainou Darboe wole Darboe affect UDP la interest muminti walam Darboe law as a president. That is their interest. Fantastic. CRCA la moy UDP la President Barrow la mol fanangon dol fananko by law constitution of mimma wulu eko President Barrow la nyin tamo jannin 2020 kasi I mean ke 2016 kana 2020 alko nae woke wobe kontilale in his 2 terms ndol fana ko obuka ke you don't do that you don't apply the law retroactively especially when there is an interested party in that matter. President Barrow is an interested party ndol fana liye wol fonga diamu fombe manke Gambia di molti mbe mu Gambia di mollet ndol ko wotote kenola natol ko Ousainou Darboe balanta Ousainou Darboe ko section 92 follow dula se falling you can only be pardoned if you can only qualify again with a criminal record if you are pardoned in accordance with this constitution. So that affected Darboe. Darboe ya complain, UDP ya complain, you know, ila National Assembly member ko they will not support the new constitution. Ngamera nimi manke nilata alana na kila sonda nibe social media yeo complain o kalamdal alta YouTube Ousainou Darboe versus Malik Jones e Ousainou Darboe interview I afojeto I claim they will not support the constitution because it affected a fundamental interest of Darboe and UDP nga faham Barrow fanala mole retroactivity for CRC mini alonko wallel tamu wallel ka fenko right it had a constitution of falling section 92 CRC are falling yes section 92 falling in the first draft but in the final draft it became section 94 section 94 instead of in accordance with this constitution, equal in accordance with the constitution. So it can be 1997 constitution, it can be this constitution. So now, 4 words here all are falling, Ousainou Darboe cannot assign. Ousainou can run for president. But until Adama Mol Mini Alon Kondolko, Al cannot discriminate against Adama Barrow. Yeban ka obondije. CRC manson ka obondije. Al nga politiko obondije sign. Al nga jibe. Hani UDP nkola atol. Al nga jibe dro. Atol be denda femina 50-50. Nko nyinkaito da bete atal. Nyinkaito de. Nyimbete abatal de. Bari jande o mante febo. Jande o mante febo. Nali auto bondije. Abe diala nyabak. Nyindo ko jande wo mande fana febo nalmo bondi jende sonna kaytol atol mimbe maralin kayto safeola kamben kayto safeola alta ta le nyindo ta bonda al balanda nyindo ta al maw bondi atol le fitno samana wala talumuni walumu anfusakum Qur'ano ka foldo iblis ka fo mole wolto al kanan de blem al famol blem woto atol min ka baro blem baro na la modu al kana baro na la mol blem ali al famol blem because kabirin al nata consultation ola kabirin new draft ni nata moli la kuyanda al faliele al tata very highly interested parties ali do favor over the other. Adole problem o sambara alman tilling CRC. UDB ko alfana al salon ko la yu'minu ahadukum hatta yuhibbal akhihi ma yuhibbu li nafsihi. Adol lafta Hussein la interest protect but al ko adama tata protect la. Wote mo nyimma yat wote mo kende yat. So al kanan tol blame al alfangol blame wolo number 1. That is number 1. Number 2. Altada parliament le albe parliament la programo, you have all watched it. You have all watched it. Parliament la proceedings up to the level of rejecting this constitution albe ajibel. Yal albe a followed. Problemo keda dame. Modo luko. Nim constitution is good. The final draft, Yemin Soto is fine. There were so many problems in that constitution. But it is fine. Because muneketa, itoliamere tola interest muminti, wo soto tale, bankola interest bije mialonko, that will create a huge problem. They don't care about that. One of them is, iko press down. Banco be abe kafuta nyoma aya sembo di minna wole mansati presideno karteo minka fayai abuka fayemoe is the most powerful person. The most difficult position to get in that country is presidency. Palacio lafta la Gambia min koleata beti ka soto wole mansayat kake president wolem president wotonim palaso be kolima wolem kake president palaso be kolima fanam wolem kabo president yala itate safero ke ko momoron di be palaso do abese buten wala abese bayno ala palaso do, which is fine because adama dio ijikita ale ko mo kendo la sita yala ma kuria yalo kake ye condition on landi president nyanta bayla minna ka impeach. Ye condition on landi National Assembly nyanta bayla minna ka National Assembly member impeach. Ye condition on landi Jojo nyanta bayla minna judges to impeach them. Ye saferoke president mi alonko banko bela ka carte fay mo million fula wallel ka doku ida ya fay walle mo support mi ya fayay walle diamu mo ya fayay mo million fula banko ka walle ka president la president ya tombo National Assembly member solo constituencies walle ke tombo ka carte fayel jojo lu mansale kana nale mansa tombo ale sembo ning kamodiala alka jojo tombonye ngamara alkoolek iko nimmo tan saba wala mo nimmo tan konontole be National Assembly nan after President Baila. If you want to remove a president from power, 50% is enough to impeach him. So National Assembly ning half ko president nga impeach anyanta tala. Eko National Assembly member solo 1/3 is enough call impeach. So ni mo kememo mo tansaba se National Assembly molu mo say impeach no, for instance. Bari jojo puri ya obay ni mo kemele be sula mo taworo le be sula la wala 2/3, almost 60%. Alanga for 60. President mi alonko banko be wol tombo nalba impeach la 50%. Kemo kono talu National Assembly mole katre faye ni bol bayla kemo kono tansaba jojo mi alonko mansale atombo ni bo impeach la ka bonda la palaso kemo kono mo taworo la yamara nyilbe kende yari jojo lom jumante ye president bayo ka bondi mansa kunda ye oke taba saboti. Nobody does that. The most difficult position to get to is presidency. The most difficult position to be removed from should also be presidency. Bari Jojo, ka Jojo bayala palasoto. Jojo min mansala ya tombo. Min diata tombo akije. Ka o bayala palasoto. O ekole ya ka president bayala palasoto. Ndol ko manyankela. But UDP called, they didn't care about that and made other parties mini along ko mansula ka wala kumov. Yalo man fair. President la palaso lo bunyata palaso beti banko ka. E koy bo bayo kela kaiti tabanti. Wote keno. National Assembly member be kumari nyamen. These are three arms of government. The judiciary, the legislature, and the executive. Ale legislature moli na deputy elementa nga carte faye ali ol bondo ke moli timingoti katiji ka kamin president mi yalon ko banko be millions of dollars wala ka spend ka president tombo close it please millions of dollars alcohol they spend adama ka Gambia banko be senyola moli e borin ko leke janni o mansa kasi mansa sirang Jojo mansale kasi albuka kalamuda fanni be Jojo tombon atol do jumala kalamuda kabiri be Asan Jallo tombona Justice Jallo kabiri ba tombona jumala kalamuda bari National Assembly député ni ba tombona banko kan alka kalamuda falbuka kalamuda tundo be se senyola molse senyola mobe kalo ne ko député carte faalo be kere woy mu ne itande wolom palaso nyinga kumayatale woto nimme tembendi. These three institutions, nimme be tembendi, nimme be kumandi tembe, killing kana, killing fair. So we cannot disrespect our elected officials for appointed officials. MPP, nimbaro ntolunga ofanajele mko, o manyankela, UDP nkol balanta ola ninyim parti dolu, mama kandela molu, I balanta ole, so I kontrole malaf bankola. Wolo laf baliati bankola. Ntollel malla fi ñim constitution o tañato bari mol ka si ko dike kan dol bilem wallahi korda tita tara la korda kono ite mo samana la korda kono ya sindi la korda kono weta rete ya kete bayila suwo kono ka sonia ka korda dimo yemin samana ya ka o bay korda ti jumal be sonno ndela ba ñim korda ñaadon kala kande bay nga findi ñim korda kon woye sonia ka korda dimo ngamin samba ndebe marli minna ka o bay wote silati ko iko saade kono alkalo bayo sonia saade dimonti what kind of nonsense is that alkalo min be saate o ñaato ka o bay alkalial yo sonia ka bay saate kono yo sonia ndi saate di bayote ikoybe wala kala ntol ka te kenola mansaya fisiata otile mansaya tambita otile mansaya kuliata otile jojolu nge bunya nge horoma e palasol sotole barika ni jojol take 230 almanza take 100% bari jojol te kumayano la mansati miye o jojol tombo wote kenola ni aje banko e sembo di mansala pura o jojol tombo banko e mansala palaso le fisiandi jojol te niente ta do ko ye nyindo ta do ko e ko nyindo e ko ngetele marandi nyindola ye mi marandi nyina ye ole fisiandi ya marandi minna fode ye palaso dindal ye palaso di modol e ko jite la min ne buba ni touré e betele bulu nge ditel itele be maralila yentele fisiandi walti wo do ko kon sa yende min fisiandi walti wo do ko kon e ko ibende do yala walti mo buka oke nying Justice Jallo na la moli wala ken tolu NPP nkolum ko malla fala now after 2/3 is okay for judges. That's fine, we don't have any problems with that. Judges must be respected. Bari al president ta 50% womu bunya bali al dale president ya ali affair bakele ali a disrespect bakele ali horomanta ya balatili mansayal ntol minga alalonga kila long nga mansa ya long ntol ko hani ntol te mansa ya fela o nyam wo manke adama baroti de because nyim constitution o niya sambanang adama ba tula jele aseke ning adama bota je modole bina wonin tol te tara ku killing ni o fanam bota je aseke dole bina wonin tol te tara ku killing barin tol kamim fo mansa ya palaso kana doya akana fair bari yindol balantaw. That is another thing me along control ko. Nying constitution on ta pass nola because it does not pass the threshold. Sabanjang. Nga kuja mal for de. Sabanjang. Iko. Institutional bije mini along ko. Constitutional. Aya fawara. Yalong constitutional form mint. It's just a guiding principle. That it's just a framework. Constitution is supposed to be a framework that guides the direction of a country. And you make laws to align with that constitution. And these laws can be changed and changed with time. But the constitution wanted to address everything in the country. Nioke chaos like one example me along control balantanying constitutional nga fole barimba satala le korikali afaham. There is a section in the constitution, MIMCO. The salaries or the budgets of certain institutions, among them, judiciary. You know you have executive, right? You have legislature. And again, judiciary. Mbota jojol minna kumo fokanja. Ye minu fisiandi president. Ye fisiandi National Assembly members. Adu nyilbe nyanta bunyale lebe kanyang. They are the three arms of government. Equally valuable and important. Nimie nali bula yenne ndeka diamo hakili malel ulul albabi ndeka diamo lel. Iko judiciary nie la budgeto dila. Ila depanso for a particular year. The following year, the budget you give them cannot be less than the previous year. If it is not more than it, it cannot be less than it. So coming forward, and for example, Ninang, Ninga million kemedi judiciary la, Asanjallo la institution or judiciary, Ninga dalasi million kemedi la as budget, ni National Assembly dalasi million keme approve. Judiciary in 2020, 2021. National Assembly nibe budgeto dila judiciary la hani dalaso ate mankila million kemoto nin dalaso man la faje ni ma la fa ite fentala la million kemo nyintu ye olef ye oke constitution o kono karambalo ni hakilinta wal mantra di amuka walede bari hakilima ni di amutawe akatala ka vokari nyine fode alngata nga verify faka mimfo wala be safarimba wala fote safari bar tolel ni hakilinta won ni hasidol ni dia mutawali wol buka fenje iketele je kenen dorom ali bule nendiro ke hakiltela ikela hakilinta yale itanda la nin dunia la koy mam fenso de kumol kon na manke hakilinta yaning foolishness ti say National Assembly bije, Central Government bije, Central Bank bije, Defense bije, Interior bije, Foreign Affairs bije, Office of the President bije, PMO bije, Finance bije, Agriculture bije, Tourism bije, Ministry of Education bije. Ite tate minister ye judiciary ta iko. Judiciary de mi alonko well, they are a department under the government's umbrella. Manzakunda kodo, manzakunda la kada panso di nyilbela, bankola kodo namo, ikaolta ye nyilbela budgetol di la sawosan. Ye judiciary ta, ye o handpiki ko, nalie million kemedi la nyinang. For example, as a budget, jari, ila budgeto, $100 sort of mankila million kemot. If you do not increase the budget, you cannot reduce it. Adun that provision in the constitution, they've entrenched it. if you know what that means, entrenched clause. So wo provision o ya entrenched le wala nyindi ko ni koy be o falin na constitution o kono ni referendum o keda ka o falin albita carte fayol National Assembly ta falin nola mota falin nola albita carte fayol la Gambia no le carte fay ale campaign ke IECA voters cards dada campaign commencé millions of dollars here spent ale carte fayol ke just to change that provision mean ya dada ko judiciary la budgeto nyina naliye mindila jari atatala lolo ntol ko adama diato mo hakilinta ya balti alama mo garanti sotola jalba ku yade ko ni duwata harjola dunawo imaje frimba e bono belare nga fana bala yalon jali wolof ni duwata firin la dunawo imaje firimba e bono belare nga fana bala ala talla kana fulo di mola la ka bale falal bugake aka banko sokodola e banko bale ndol ko ne budgeto di judiciary la for example nyina ye million kemedila e ko judiciary ko alla ni million kemo kono al moto tansanje isula da motola ye moto tansanje na pikopol tang ya dila jojol ye computer sang computer muang ya dila jojol ye joji ye courthouses or law ye courthouse killing law Banjul ye courthouse killing law Birkama ye courthouse killing law Serekunda kodi nyinan 2020 isulata motola ye moto sabasam moto tang isulata courthouse la ye courthouse sabalo nyinan isulata computer la ye computer tansa nyinan nga budgeto di alla because al sulata wala nga million kemele di alla nyinan because al sulata moto le sanna anen computer ning alafta courthouse is all lola pour alla joji soli nga million kemele di alla bari koto ke moto bukati nya sanji killing ntol kam fombe wala de Gambia nol minu kan tol ne barola mol minu kan nen UDP ko le nyingele imam problem sodoje ila parliament itol min ka wuli ko ka fo mole ko barole man la finim constitutional ntol man la fi sonko la because we are responsible citizens of that country ye million kemedi mola nyina e ka moto sam fo jara be sulalo million kemola banka moto sam bari moto jawyata nyaaw moto futa nyaaw aka sanji saba okela ko fabu ka sanji sabake aka sanji sabake ninyi nan judiciary ye budgeto sambana 100 million because yi sulata moto tannela wala ne yo budgeto siandi nyina ya sambana nga moto saye moto tang nga computer saye nyina nga bungo buka sanji kilingo ko fakawla ne court house olo moy adoya da nyaanya be sanji sabakelal ko jannim bunga tay bungo futa nyaawo nya kiti bungo futa nyaawo nya alta nyinin karola Supreme Court mimbe Banjul wenne yalo ali nyinin ka sanji jumale Supreme Court lo kani fi magistrate court sanji jal wenne yalo Birkama magistrate court ay sanji jalle Basse magistrate court ay sanji jalle sa ninyi na ye ko do di mola ye boje do di mole ka ta ye motolo ye moto sam moto be sanji fula sanji sabakelale bungolo bungo be sanji fula sanji sabakelale computer be sanji fula sanji sabakelale sa ni o kodo di mola nyinang jari te o di lala ite moto songo di lala jari bullo songo bungo ibalo la kodo min jari te o di lala febo di lala abe computer means I minu sanyina jari te computer sanai bari seru ye kodo min diale kay moto sam moto tang nyim constitution ko nyina fo o kodo diala ko hana ma moto sam hana ba punsum pansan na kono o moto son diala sera moto min sam nyina fana kodo diala hana te moto sam na dia nyina fana hana te bullola o bullo mi ya kodo diala serum adiala nyina fana hana te bullola wala computer min san serum hana man computer hana man sula computer la nyina computer dia wo mo hakilon bara albe mol nenka wallahi hakilin tay ba balo wote Ye wala ke constitution okonon dolko, that cannot happen. If you buy cars, we give you 100 million this year because we want you to buy cars. Next year, you don't need a car. We will not give you damn 100 million. The amount you bought cars with last year, you don't need that amount this year. So we will reduce your budget. In constitutional several senimare na nyol min ka mol ne ka baro ne itata yole ke mol la constitution okon. Adu wo section o nin National Assembly ko National Assembly cannot touch it. If National Assembly wants to change, if they want to reduce that amount, 100 million, next year, if they want to reduce it, they will have to put it on hold and we go to elections. Ngata National, ngata IEC, nga for IEC ko serum, nga 100 million ne spend judiciary kande. Bari nyinang, 100 million, nte spend because he mansula motola. Bari constitution of bankolu ako, ntela kodo talanola, ntela depanso talanola, foninga nyin section of falling. Adu nyin section o is an entrenched clause. Entrenched wala nyindiko, nta falling wala fonin da karte fayola. Wada IEC pare ko nga million talul dila. Yeta voter registration o ke ko ngata nga nyin section of falling. That does not make sense. That is the simplest explanation for you. What do you know? For nyanda kela. But honey, tumako kodo found bije sign found. Ninang. Judiciary a 50 million request, $50 million. Next year, isulata motola. Isulata computer. Isulata kela bungo renovate. Bari banko e problem also. Coming COVID-19 minadate. Banko e problem also do. We are in a trouble. GRA man tax collect no. Because Gambian all man ta do ko le bitikol be soro. Banko man ko di sot. Seru nga kodo sot. Tubabu duyen so kodol. 100 million euros European Union. Angleterian so kodol. Francian so kodol. Saudi Arabia so kodol. Serum kuol be diare na 100 million di judiciary. Bari nyinang European Union man so fen. Saudi man so fen. Qatar man so fen. Na kodo seru nga million kemeso. Nyina nga million tansaba da malso. Yemin di seri ba di no la nyina. Kuni yela tiyo afila muso konda walo. Ye dala si wuli kilindi ale ka tanga abdomo. No problem. Tai subo sang, ye chalo sang, nga chucha. Ye tiyo le wafi tiyo. Jari tiyo mambete a. Ye tiyo wafu tiyo mam infakila tiyo. Slowly a bedomo. Sama man siya tiyo tinat. Iman tiyo so. Bar muso ko seri ye wili kili umindi ala fe o dial. Iba kenola. The Constitutional Review Commission ye ole duno la Gambia ka ko bol la Gambia ka. UDP sonda wala. Ntolko wote kenola. Ni okebe banko le bula kam problem okon. We are going to get what we call constitutional crisis. We don't have powers to do it, but the constitution say, fuck you, you must do it. And you have to do it all. Because bankola lua, womuna kuranolti. Inyate male yatala. I mean for kake. Kumole be jolonna, kumole be Taylor, but I mean for be kap. Alman kodisot. Banko man kodisot problem on that. Bari lua ko, selale million kemel di judiciary falsa adil. Alma million kemel sot. Albe kele nyami. Faleta kodo nyining. Aleta carte file kodi ka alio section of fali. Hadama de hakili jumal kat mawo nyam. Ntol nga wala fo alko you have to blame us and Barrow. President Barrow ko wolel mam bete a banko ka. President Barrow na la timo ko. Those are the things that do not make sense in the country. They don't make sense. They don't make sense. And these are written in the draft. Jamal kan nem call malum fammi munyin draft wolu. مثل الذين حملوا التوراة ثم لم يحملوها كمثل الحمار يحمل أسفارا بئس مثل القوم الذين كذبوا بآيات الله والله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين من زاد الله كولف مثل الذين حملوا التوراة مول مثالو ملي كتاب با توراة موسى من يدونو مثل الذين مول مثالو بله حملوا التوراة ملي توراة كتابو دوني كمثل الحمار كفالو بنيامي يحمل أسفارا يكون كتابو قرآن لون ne Qur'ano fay mol se wura Allahu akbar kari siyo bande ka Qur'ano fay bar ne Qur'ano la falo ka yalon Qur'ano kumatal al Qur'ano yala kumatal yala bunyatal ibuka hanyi ya fay yalon Bible defa importance Bible defa am solo Bible amna mana Bible amna horam doko muna fay Bible bi so ko li gisee yow Christian nga so nekkee muslim sa Bible boo xam ne dafa yaa jënd dañ ko jënd si Esa doo ko mën a fay soo ko fayee danga am fii danga ibe silale sonna moo ko danga am fale fii i sonna moo ko doo ko mën a fay parce que lan la danga xam maana bu mu am soo nekkee julit danga xam Bible bi soo nekkee Christian danga am maana Bible soo nekkee muslim danga am maana ak importance bu xamee boo xam ne loolu la Qur'an am waaye yàlla mu ne falo falo yàlla mu ne soo ko joxee alquran wala bukk bi nga teg ko si moom boobu lu mu xam mooy man dunoo laa am falo ne Qur'an laa ka ye bukkoo laa ka falo man Qur'an la kumaalon alon ko dente dunoo la benka I am having a load that I'm carrying. That is what the donkey knows. But that this load is Quran and is important. Follow me along. Doluka mol nenja be ole nyama. Bi'tha masalul qawmi alladhina kadhabu bi ayati Allah. Wal manyin constitution oje fang. Ibe mol nen kanjang. Inena manyin constitution oje. Inena ma read. Inena ma monyin kala. Itol wol kany. Ifalimalle be mol nenna. Ndol kamin faale ten nka Gambia le makoy Gambia dingo be nka wolle makoy ndol nga wollel we have interest in it but wallahi the other section is atol minu be tubabu du mol bal kono le min yalon ko allafta kala mansat le way natol manke mansati aliyal dingol wulule min yalon ko allafte manse ya Gambia wala Gambia nolu alfalu minu be Gambia banko kan wallahi jamal le bal kono min yalon ko al dingol bije minu be tubabu du ye kaytol sotoje wallahi mote dingol manse ya konna way ya jite ate Ahmad jite la manse ya konna de alkali sane ate Fabu sane la manse ya konna Gambia way Mfa Khalil Touré ate Yafa Touré la mansa ya konna Gambia bari constitution ko ne Gambia kayto so de Canada kayto so ite mansa ya no la Gambia ne Gambia kayto so de Jaman kayto so ite mansa ya no la Gambia ne Angleterre kayto so de Gambia kayto so ite mansa ya no la Gambia constitution wala fo ndol ko mu fatam fansol di ndamal tema ndoli wala fo UDP man ke wala they don't care about that. Ndolko fana man betea. Mindu tata bante tata nyinindirol la. Puruka Gambia banko makoy. Bunjanjama be Gambia to la sambanam. Sa wosang ifanal ka tax jole. Ika namo jo. Ika kodol kila molye. Ika nasio kone kila kodol dépense. Adi be dawda inaniol ning. Ila natol puru Gambia etanya. To wallahi e Gambia la kanu. Katambi be dame. Ndenga Gambia la kanu Canada. Ada tol ben jibe ka dol be Germany ale Gambia kanu Germany ale Gambia kanu Angleterre ale Gambia kanu America banko kan ale Gambia kanu Finland ale Gambia kanu Sweden ale min soto Sweden opportunity na be Gambia be selal wutu yal bali ko na le kaydi flasral de mansal ndol ko fana manyankila alkana o kalkana fodam fanso dundi dingol damal tema mbele banko kanu mbele lafta bankol minnu fundi de tata wula iko alangata amfanale fenso do nga samba nam fa sodo atol mimbe suwo kono alien discriminate ada alben danila kodolla fewfen nabe kel alben danila baral ko atol te palasol marala ngal balala le malla la tol ningal ke mansal ti jang alte Gambia lan interest safla yole lanka yole safe buko kon ikate kela so ngaw fanan diamu Malik Boja, I've given you a lot of time. I've told you, you can disagree, but I'll kana molne, bari imamoi. So you've lost the opportunity to watch me. Yeah, momorandi enendiroke demko you can disagree. You can disagree, I'm fine. But nenendiroke drong, nebonla. So ntol ko nyillel mambetea. Atol kontol, we are the ones that destroyed that constitution. We are not the ones that destroyed that constitution. There are a lot of flaws in that constitution. The constitution was too ambitious. We don't need that kind of constitution. And guess what? Mansa ya fundi e mansa fundi. Folaba mansala minister me abatombona. National Assembly nyanto mansa. You know, again, where is independence of three arms of government? National Assembly. Ni President Barrow lafta jite kela minister. Ni UDP MP mal la finna. Nde kela minister. Barrow lafta anintele doku oke. UDP MP liye bangal. Because he be banna lete son. So you ofana do the constitution okon. Mansata minister tombo nola. Fonin deputy el sonda. Ndeni mimbe doku oke la lata minna. Ndete wo tombo nola. Fonin na opposition or something. Yalo fana better. But at the same time, you know what happened? Ibalanta wala sai ko alna negotiation okay. Baral Jamal Malo. UDP. Isonta yewol be falinne iko tonya. President should not have endorsement from parliament pura minister tombo. Ndol balanda kabirin start lungo. Kabirin lumena nga start. UDP nkol bala sondala. Ndol balandala. B. Usenda banala mo negotiation on mimbe kering. Iko tonya. Iko manyankela. Iyo bondi jele B. Satol ko jumale problemo sambana. UDP agreed ko that should not be in the new constitution. A president should have the endorsement of the National Assembly. UDP agreed to remove that. We have stood by our word from the beginning. UDP accepted. This, budgetary matter about the judiciary. This year, near 100 million dealer, next year you cannot reduce it. UDP accepted ko. Go and ask them. UDP accepted that too. Because that is also bad. All the parties, Minu Balanda, they accepted that is a bad part of the constitution. It should be removed. They all agreed. So who is destroying Gambians? Jumala mangla fi Gambianon. Aliya long ko amam betea. Kabirin lum follow aliya long ning amam betea ala bondije. Nga faliam kale ala bondije al kal takel because alman la fi mol. Alman la fi barola. Barobe feo fendom balantalan. Gambianol aye nafa ame nafa. Nim barole laftalan tol fatalan. Nga foye balant. Bi sondale. Ibe tu. Usenu dabo sondale ko. Wo budgeto mi koy ba di la judiciary la mam betea. Ya bondi jele. I sondale ko. President. Amanya na National Assembly la fenko tala. It should not be. It's not. It's not good. And many other things. The bone of contention is one thing. Retroactive part. Wodoron problem with the science. Eko barola nying na ganyeta this year. That will be his last term. UDP le balandal. Ekate kela. Again. They target the person of Barrow. They are lawyers. They know their leader is a human rights lawyer. and he has defended the rights of people for a very long time, but he refused to defend the right of Barrow, even if he does not agree with it. What an irony. Ite la balu obe, ite human rights lekara, mol la nyanto, ye mol defend. You are a human rights lawyer. Ini kafunyo Jamal UDP la top leaders Jamal Balem loyalty. Barrow has a right. Retroactivity among betea is never a good thing. Adum, there was precedents. Adum lawyer yakono. In law, precedents are very good examples or basis to stand on to argue a case. Atol min nena kata kiti dulalto. Naliek loyal je. Alka loyal moe de court cases in 1680, in 1800, in 21st century, in 24th century, in 28th century. Loyal ka kiti olu cases olu ike court nang to relate them to their cases. So precedents and matters of history are important. Adum ngawo fole woketa Gambia banko kanne Usenu Dabo Yalong. There was an issue of retroactivity under Yaya Jammeh. Supreme Court Balantala. Supreme Court kate kelade because retroactivity does not occur when one of the parties in that situation is an interested party. I don't know for in one of our programs again moja le wolonja minukan nenja Yaya Jammeh kiti odole sorota atin lawyer Usman Sillalon Usman Sillalon Usman Silla ya bunki dola ngamala talom num baba job la loyat ya bunki dola no ali akalam da my fati bulata wala kona aborta that case a female lawyer was in charge under Jammeh so minketa kabiri kuwa samba kiti ola ye mol muta mini alonko suspect sol mini alonko wolle liye nyim kuriak bari mansa kundala molo biko ya Jammeh bulala bari kiti yo bitaka nu nyamen ya file ko Usman Silla la lawyer be gagnelalde government might have a problem. They went and drafted a new law very quickly. Indemnity bill. Indemnity bill, that is to give immunity. Momoe kuke on the government. Imaji yankubature ka brag wala nung. Akatita TRRC, he will not be prosecuted because he had immunity on the 1997 constitution. That immunity bill, Janakana, that problem happened. When the problem happened, the matter was in the court of law. The matter was already in progress. Jammeh government went and drafted a bill and passed it at the National Assembly. When they passed that, they wanted to apply retroactivity. Altalia Molninka, Usenu Dabo Yalone, Bori Ture Nyolu, Lamin Kamara Nyolu. These are big lawyers. They are in the Gambia and a lot of them are UDP. Alma Metal was actually a member of judiciary at the time. Allah spokesperson. Allah Nyinenganga min for Ulialum for Tonyalum. Go and ask him. So that case, it already started. And then they passed the indemnity bill. And Yaya Jammeh won that indemnity bill to cover the crime that happened before that bill came into existence. They applied it at the court. They used that as a ground. Usman Silla's lawyer refused. And they challenged it. Supreme Court's judgment, not verbatim, but this is what the Supreme Court says of the Gambia. They said, when there are interested parties affected in a matter, retroactivity does not apply. Because war indemnity bill, il after retroactive ndila, on a case mi alonko, abe more affected that is an interested party. So Supreme Court ya faiko, indemnity can happen from today onwards. It can happen from this day that it is passed onwards. Any case that comes now, it's okay. But the case that started before indemnity bill came into existence cannot happen. It cannot affect that one. So the case proceeded. Now President Adama Barrow is an interested party in this case. The same scenario is happening. Retroactivity cannot be applied because Adama Barrow is an interested party in this. He is a president. Adunyin Seksono affects him as a president and as a Gambian citizen. So apply retroactivity after this Adama Barrow's case, after the constitution comes into existence. But anything that happens before it, Allah Bula. Bare dabo be balandim far ilanyin Nigeria ta a be retroactivity lo iman sonala aduntol fanalte sonna. And let nobody make any mistake call. We do not want this constitution to be passed. We are cognizant, we are aware of how much money is spent, how much time and resources is spent. Our objectives were very clear from the day we went to Gambian people to seek for their mandate to rule the Gambia as a coalition team. We will bring you a constitution that stands the test of time. We will bring a constitution that will not be necessary to be easily amended. We will bring you a constitution that is going to represent the Gambia and it will make us a proud nation. Ndolenyim constitutional for Kabirin Kata Molia. Barrow wole lead, Barrow wole advocate, ani Halifa Sallah nyolu. This is what they have advocated. Adu mole karte faye wala. They have spent $119 million pour nyim molu banko late lale Cerno Jalo nala molu pour ye doku kendo ke molie. Ntolunge tombo wala. We trust their track records. We trust their love for Gambia. We trust their neutrality, their impartiality, their professionalism, their objectivity. We trust this. Barrow nyile trust ne constitute as a team nkoita ye dokuo kenang. Ye min sambanang. That is not the constitution we wanted for Gambians. That is not what we went around during campaign to tell Gambians we want to give them. That is not it. So it only osamana ya bondi dame tolalo. We are very disappointed in them. They disappointed us as a nation. Adundenga amara Gambiano benyanta wole jela. Komin na lata mansala. Alko manse nga karte o faye. Allata mola. Ale karte o faye komi ya jamme minke. Ale karte o faye allata ala. Kabal dingol niol tankandila. Kabal kala molti mini alonko abala banko sambala nyato. Atona to kabala karte o faye al pareta. Ay mola moli yemmande. Ay modol fa. Ay modol la fengol busila. Ay modol soro e mam fenke. Ay modol bute e mam fenke. Mode Gambia dingol tonyela wala de. Gambia no lata ya alale ye doko diala. Ni lata la masongola. Ye masongola kumo fwe. E ka atele nyimbunjang Carlo. Atele nyimbunjang Carlo. Atele nyimbunjang Carlo. Atele Carla bungolo. He nyimu mason kende balt. Itata bunjangol millo ye jibe. He nyimbunjang nyinyata. Ifan tati yo bunjangol. Ala record bete ata fonde. I kontanta ala kole ka mfana ala bungoloy. Na tata sise bungoloye. Itema okede. Mason lake. Bayrite lata o mason lale. Yala doku kendo leje. Ilata ala nin kilae. Ijikitala. Ye doku di ala purae bun kendo loy. Ya jo atata sise bungoloye. Mason loy oke. Itema oke. Oto ninto lata na jojo la. Justice Jallo nyola good track records. anin wo just wo mol be CRC commissional be anila communications team anin mol be timo nying ndo latela wala nga doko dil ida malman ke gambe dingol de minni o luwa sifal karam gambe din jamale bije bar ngela track record le jibe latela nga jiko sodedo nga nyim ko di ba ci ka nga dilam ko altale da doku kendo neol man doku kendo ke wol fangol la mol min faalon ko e banko la kodo beti nyanyin doku fure wala e kata e koy ka mansala tonye mansami alon ko wol latela doku yalo wodal adama yato wa kamundal ni ko mo malota la koto ninde ngaje former staff of CRC menuko judiciary ye budget min di la nyinada hani sisel bu ko kela ila nas sisel sajiol fo la National Assembly wo hakilin tayya bu ka kije atoli o samana al kapurada al kantole kubar ke bankoy ale molla mansa kunda la mansa affair itata le foi ko Inspector General of Police cannot take orders from the president or executive on operational matters. So ni moli e nyofa, mol be nyofa la, kiti nkol da mal kuyata kene kuole be nyofa. Ni mansa ko amansa manyana fala IGA, police ol kije. Wol bebe constitution okono. IG le nyanta jibe la fo, nda nyanta mol kila kiti le ban fo manya mol kila. President uta fonola IGA ko, police ol kiti, mol le be nyofa kanje. You cannot, executive cannot order an Inspector General of Police on operational matters. Illa walla, ile mol fair. Bare minno ma kara walla kadiyamu. Ndol manke loyalty de. Bare alhamdulillahi alladhi khalaqana wa atana alhikma. Be alaten la mien dada aye wisdom dinna. Altitale kaito bula nyoko na alcohol, we spend 100 million. You think people will just listen to that? We read everything line by line. We contextualize them. We compare and contrast it with realities of the country and realities of our society and see if we will agree with it. Kafoimu loyalty o might and koite, you are the only one that is better at critical thinking. No. Ye luwa karaya long. But luwa dolu, they are natural. Hani momi manke luwati. Minne na manta luwa karanda. Niko eko. Nyina ye kodo mindi karla. Jarite kodo dino. Aba fale ko barita mankende ade. Ala ka mosa ka mobali. Nyina ni ale so jara ye balido. Serunga dalas keme dila. Nyina ni man kodo so de ko nga dalas keme dila force. Yo safe buko kono force. Amaritas, what a hakile mayat. So we know some of these things are not, they don't even make sense. So we are not the ones that are in this trouble. Adum, Dr. Ismaila Ceesay Kumakilimfo, I will conclude there. Ako, there isn't an agreement yet. But negotiations stall, and that is true. You know, you have a lot of peace agreements signed between Charles Taylor and Prince Johnson, between NPFL and INPFL, Independent National Patriotic Front of Liberia, and National Patriotic Front of Liberia. Those of you that understand, I told me along Kalka Dunia follow. There were a lot of accords signed between Charles Taylor and the rebel factions in Nigeria and Samuel Doe's government. But Akakele Diamol talks will break for the Sanko and Tijan Kaba. You know, before Lomi Peace Accord, there were a lot of peace agreements that were, you know, discussions happened. The first time they went, it was not possible. The second time they went, they had disagreement. The third time they went. Sometimes they go for 5 years. Albe peace talks la. So negotiations, Dr. Ceesay mean for all of them. That is very sensible. At the airport, I watch his interview. At the beginning, you can have negotiations, they stall. So as far as we are concerned, the Barrow team, we are very committed to any avenue, to any plan that will help us bring this national document back, clean it, and present a clean and tangible document to our National Assembly and to Gambian people for referendum. Not any document. A document that stands the test of time. Adum Baroyo mentioned several times. Adum lefta Gambia mo no be along ko. Ndol balanda kuo do la follow UDP nkol sondela bi is sondan dol balanda minula. Problemo betla akilineto bari sondan dol balanda minle sonda jama alla bi ani o parti dolu so kachal be ke kana be continue lale. And I do not see a problem with the Gambian delegation going to Nigeria. I don't see that as a problem. Molka for Gambia, why can't you cannot even solve your own problem? You have put down ways as to how you solve your problems. If you cannot solve them through those problems, you go for unconventional ways. And I mean for them, Banko elu asafe. You draft some manam, ni asammanam, ni asafe, ye consultation okay, ni consultation okay, ye murun kodike asafe final one, ya samba executive, president ala timo moli ajibe, ni satisfied ala wolom, ni man satisfied as their business, they cannot change it, they gazette it. Follow amolof, banko bela lua wolofo, lua ko, ya gazette ni ya gazette abanda, ya samba National Assembly. Lua ko, banko dingol bedende ko, dipitelu, ye sembo sorole ya fanya mokon. Ye sembo sorole ya samana Gambia dingolka. Uomu duality, that is something we all agreed with. They have a right to throw it away democratically through principles. Yes, they have the right to maintain it and take it to Gambians. If they throw it away, it's part of the process. It's legal. It's acceptable. It's part of the norms. It's part of the rules of our country. There's nothing wrong with that. But that is where the stalemate happened. We could not agree on it. That is not stupidity of Gambians. That is not just, you know, I mean, just specific to Gambians. No. So sometimes some of us are very quick to insult people. I mean, processes took place. Politics happened. We all played by the rules. There was no cheating, nothing. We all played by the rules. The rules happened. Ya fay nyamo ko ne ya fay ne Jonathan ne nata Gambia pour que Gambia dingol sindi Gambia kaja fay na jalle kije ay na dandan kije le ko ha Gambia kono iman kambe it's okay akoy o kalmata Nigeria am fana mbal invite la ya almata nga kajaje maybe alafta modol lebe Nigeria min fana na ye dani roke wo kodo ka wol be samana Gambia maybe ate wol samana be kole ala bara sena Gambian wol samba ye fenke ta Nigeria. What is wrong with that? Jonathan Natal, there is nothing wrong with that. Atol menga diamu is simple. Government is a reflection of ourselves. Atol dol al nala girlfriend wol fa nal ni kuyada al bukal damal temo de dano. Atol kasial ka foko molman kambeno on a very complex, sensitive, you know, bulky national document. Abuka fo nyama. Atol la sunkudol fa alnika kuya sunkudo ma fo fudu musode. Atol dol la sunkudol fa alnika kuya ku furo la albuka reconcile no. You cannot even reconcile, you and your girlfriend, that you love each other, you claim. You cannot even reconcile with your girlfriend. You cannot even solve it yourself. Some of you have wives. People have to come and negotiate. Your friends have to come in to talk to your girlfriend for you. Some of you. I don't mean wuri jalka wuri moni. You know, mansata la kamim folom. Alna hakilimaya. Ofi amfusikum afala tubsiru. Al kutam fanna. Ofi amfusikum afala tubsiru. Sungudu kensa ina mo fla. Monani mo luluntede with different interests. Itena ate da mal mo flo pet. Alka kuya ku furi on. Valentine gift dinner wala mta dile. Ku nyindi nanta dile. Nana program dina. Muna ne man visit. Ku furi. ila sunkuto de me sunkutu furi wala kamban furi do ko muna kamben. Your friends have to come in to beg him or her for you to come together. You cannot do that. You are telling people that a sensitive document like national document, blame for non-consensus. It's a lot more complex than you think. Ika futu inila muso alka kuya albunkon albuka bando. You cannot even solve that problem. Yet asilanya don ko ya aliadan wala ifama na fama family be bulaje daniro wato do family fam buka complete no inila muso da matem wato do kabilo bel kanal tem wala ni ibakilim fakilim koto ibakilim fakilim do ifama ibama inaka kuya ku furin wala ku sone albuka solfuno al sate al mamo wala sate al kalol kal command ayta diamu ni fama tem wala ni bama albuka solfuna al mofula mo million fula la ku atol ko mo sabay si tilikili yo sol o fi am fusi kuma fala tubsiru at sometimes nga modol jibe kambiano dol bari karam be data bari dol fana la karam pepal le balbula al fongol korosi al siale al fongol korosi dol balbul pepal le balbul londo talbul al malen so hikmala de adama dingol ni kambe mbali ata kuto aka kolea pour kambe nje sako a document like Gambia's national document. You have people with vested interest. Kambe utawoti de bro. So alma kuta mfanda sako kambani kensel mi alon koy again mbafa ete ni la sungudo famo aga kuya ku furina albuka ibuka solfuno alla bole nyanda diamulate wane ni la muso bunkono kundi albuka solfuno molel bina diamulate wale ni la brode ni la sister le kuya albuka danno kabilo kana diamulate mali asol banko more than 12 political parties have an issue, a disagreement for 2 million people. It's not up to 6 months yet. Atol dol na la musola kuyaka kari woro tala fa buka ota dolu sanji mume anna la sungu dol ka kuya kari sab fo bugat al buka solfunu so al kata mol nen du karal mol bule do koke al manene al mol bule la do koke mbal kondo na mbal jayla al man na juma siala al malen kiza setan wala al malen so al janola kila nyima hormoto be mobe kontona be mobe tendula mobe jayla Alamalen so Kairola, this constitution hopefully will come back. We all want this constitution. Barrow wants it more than anybody. And we respect our partners, our multilateral, our unilateral, our bilateral partners. We respect them. European Union, UK, they spend a lot of money. And as a genuine Gambian, ndetala fila ngokodo di molanka aitaya nyinke nyinkodija mangam fang balala. I mean aitaya tinya. So banku kendo kamalu wolale adu nyinkodo minga depends nyin constitution okuna mollele en swala. So we are cognizant of that. Adu wo mo lafta minna wolam imalla fiye dabula je. But what they want is puru nganna doku oke adu nga agree nga nyin constitution o samana because ndolle kon laftala adu tonya laftala. But ya memma min dada nyoma better. So wole hatinan tolko let's negotiate. Ndolma for aliabe falling. There are things that will not change, like dual citizenship thing. Ndol, there are a lot of Gambians outside who do not want that part. Nimu dual citizen data mansal. Maybe they will not change that. And many other things will remain the same. But many alonko they are fundamental. We can agree on them. Alamalen so Kairola. Almalen kiza shetanola almalen tanka shetan molla and solimani ala inshallah. Juma Mubarak to all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.